Hello guys, welcome to my channel K-Tech. Today I'm gonna show you how to stream to YouTube and Facebook at the same time, and probably also output your video material to a Zoom conference. So we're gonna be like using one source to three destinations, and that is Facebook, YouTube, and Zoom. Now to do this, we're going to be using a software called Wirecast, Telestream Wirecast. And the latest version, or the version I have, is version 13. You can have other versions higher than that if they're available at the market. Wirecast has a free version. It also has a paid version. I have the paid version. You can try out with the free version if you don't want to buy the paid version, or you don't want to start right off with the paid version. So basically, what you need for this is your camera, your laptop, be it Windows or Apple or whatever the case may be, whatever operating system you've got, it's okay. Wirecast works for all of them. So I'm using Windows. So your laptop, your Wirecast software, and a camera. So we're just gonna go straight and fire it up. Open up a Wirecast. That's it. Telestream Wirecast, and it's open. Now we're going to create a new or empty document. All right, this document I already used for something else, and I don't want to alter the graphics there. So I'm going to open a new or create empty document and click continue. I'll give it some time to boot. My system is quite slow, so please bear with me. Full screen mode. Now we are in. Now I'm going to adjust this interface to what I'm comfortable with, what I like working with. You can adjust it to whatever you like, but just follow us on this. Just follow me on this. I'm gonna reduce this layer so they can be small, so I can see all of them. Okay, that's it, and the last one, that's it. All right. Now, as you can see, we've got two screens here. First screen is this, which is our preview screen, and this is our live broadcast area. Whatever we prepare here, we cook here, we can send using this button into this screen. Now what is shown on this screen is what those persons out there who are watching your YouTube channel, your Facebook videos, or joining you on the Zoom conference are going to be seeing. So you have to be mindful of what you send in here. You have to be sure that everything you want has been prepared here and it's of top quality before you send. So, all right. Having said that, I am going to open up the editing panel where I can be able to make adjustments to the things, the content I preview here before I send to the live feed. So I'm just going to double click on this. Okay, sorry, I don't have any graphics yet. I don't have anything yet, so I can't really do that. All right. Now, first things first, we need a video source. We're not going to be streaming a blank page, so we want to stream picture. We need a video source. Unfortunately, I don't really have a video source right now. My webcam is disabled, so I'm just going to use something to cover up that space, but I'm going to show you how to do it anyway. So what you want to do is this. You want to come down to the front of a layer. I prefer to start from the bottom. The front of this layer, and I click in a plus symbol, and I come to video capture. When you click on video capture, as long as your camera is plugged to your system via USB or Firewire or whatever you use to connect to HDMI, whatever you're using to bring video into your laptop, it's going to display on this list. Now I don't have things displaying because, like I said, I don't have a camera connected. But you see my integrated webcam, but it's not working, so sad. Now, if once you see your device on the list, you just need to click on that device like this and then add, and you are good. Your video is going to come up here. Since we don't have that, we're going to do something else. Let's do this. We're going to bring in a virtual scene. Now the beauty about using Wirecast is this, that Wirecast provides you templates, ready-made templates, virtual scenes, titlers, different ready-made templates graphical templates that you can use to beautify your material you're streaming. your content you're streaming. So I'm gonna bring in the virtual background. So let's just go there and send the virtual set background, virtual set, and see there's some of them, just about 9 of them. So we can pick any one we want. I can just pick say this, and voila, you see we have it there already. It's like it's a virtual studio. So all right, now if I want to edit this, if I want to adjust, make some adjustment to this, I can just double click on it, and then automatically it opens my layer properties where I can make adjustments. I can reduce or increase scale here. You see, I can select anything I want to reduce and adjust scale. Maybe I feel, oh no, this is too small. I can increase it to be like this, like that, you know. So this set, you can adjust anything you want. You just have to come to this first layer. You see a placeholder there. You can take it out if you don't want it. I basically don't want it. I think it does look cool. I can take it out, you know. So this is the full set. Just the full set, and make it big, make it small, whatever you want. So I'm just gonna make it like this to be full screen. All right, now what next do you want to do? Okay, fine. For your streaming, you want to make it official, you want to make it look professional, you know. People are going to be watching, people who's joining you on Zoom want to be sure that, yeah, this guy knows what he's doing, he's being professional about his work. What you need to do, you can add your logo, you can add something that tells the people watching, oh, this material is coming from this place, this location. So I'm going to add my logo. What do I do? How do I add ready-made material, ready-made graphic? I just come to media files, browse disk, and add, and it takes me to my system. I can select any other thing, but let's use my logo. I want to privatize it to make sure you know it's coming from KTech, or KTech rather. So I'm just gonna leave it there. You see? So that's our logo there. At least we've got something in. Now we can send this out to the world, right? We just click down there, and voila, it's on the live screen. As you can see, saying live here. But this is not gonna go anywhere. All right, it's just live for you because you haven't told Wirecast the destination, the location that you want to send these materials to. All right, so you have to tell Wirecast, I want it to go to YouTube, I want it to go to Facebook. Oh, I want to send a virtual signal to Zoom for Wirecast to be able to do that. Let's not just rush into that and start streaming. Let's do some more beautification, some more graphical inbuilt addition. Let's add some more graphics before we send our picture out to the world, you know. So let's say all right, we want to give a title to our video. It's not just gonna go out blank like that. We want people to know what we're doing. We're gonna add another graphic. We're still gonna use a template provided by Wirecast. We don't want to stress ourselves. This is the beauty of Wirecast. We're gonna enjoy the ready-made templates. So I'm just gonna come here and say overlay. Click overlays and go to title and add. And you can see that Wirecast provides you a lot of title holder templates for you to use, so you don't have to stress yourself designing much. Let me just use this. I like this. It matches the background of my virtual studio. So you see, voila, it's there. It's telling you, oh, you can put this title, you can pull this title. Okay, so if I want to edit this, what do? I'll just come to this circle here with 3 dots in the middle and click on it, and then you see title where you can make the adjustment. So let's say tutorial topic. Yeah, like that. Now you can see that this is kind of monotonous. I can't really play with the size. I can really adjust the size. Why is it like that? It's because Wirecast has already pinned this width and height. I don't want it to be Wirecast sizes. I want to make my own sizes. So I just want to click on that, and then I can now adjust to whatever I want, however size I want, however big I want it, and also wherever location I want, I can put it there. Good. So I have this. I want to change this as well. You see, it's not really doing anything because I had done something to this. I'd removed the focus from being selective. I had pinned it down to the whole thing. So I'm just gonna come down here and then choose this. Yeah, that's it. And go back to the three dot editable area again and check and say video streaming. Video streaming. Of course, the title is supposed to be bigger than the title header. So video streaming. Ain't that cool? I think it is. But then again, you see, it's like hanging up. I don't like my graphics hanging up. I want them to be on the base. So I want to move this whole thing. How do I do that? I just come here and click. But you see, because I played with this last, it's on highlighting on this. So I'll just go back again to this section, short layer section, and click the entire border and then move it down. When I move, I'm moving just the border. I'm not moving the text. So I have to still pick each text and move as well. Move down. Yep. Move down. Yeah. So this is more professional. So anyone who's joining us on Zoom conferencing is gonna say, oh yeah, okay, so we're talking about video streaming, eh? And this video streaming tutorial is coming from where? K-Stack. You know, see, it's coming from K-Stack. I'm streaming on, we're talking about video streaming. But as you can see, these effects are here, but not here. Why? Because we've not sent it to the live screen. And I remember I told you to send your preview screen to your live screen. You just need to click on this. And there it is. You can also change the transition effect. I have cross dissolve. I can put cross dissolve. I like cross dissolve. It's simple, more professional to me. So you can change the transition effect, and that's it. So whatever you do, it's gonna take that cross dissolve transition to send to live screen. Now, like I said earlier on, everything that's live here is live for just you, because you haven't told Wirecast this is where I want it to go. But even before we do that, if we stream this, it's gonna be without an audio. As you can see, it's off because we didn't capture an audio device. So how do we capture an audio device? Normally it is only normal to have your audio go with your video, right? Now remember, we don't have a video, and that's why we're using this virtual studio. So to add audio to this, I can just come down here and right click on it and change audio source and choose an audio source. I could simply choose my inbuilt microphone, but I'm not going to do that. If you have an audio capturing device that you've connected, of course, if you're using a camera and the camera is connected to your laptop, it is expected that a HDMI cable, a USB cable, a Firewire cable will send not only picture but also audio as well. So it's going to be audio video coming together. But if it is not there, then you have to do this. Right click, change audio source, and choose your capturing device. Yeah. So once that is done, this is not going to be like this. It's going to be more like this, or even like this, white. And so, having noted that, let's now learn how to send this to the world and not just have it live for ourselves alone. Now, first we're going to start with sending it to Zoom. To send a video from Wirecast to Zoom, you can't use your output sources. You can use your output sources because Zoom is not listed there, and it's not even gonna work like that. So what we do is that we're just gonna come to a virtual camera. Zoom recognizes virtual cameras. All right. So we're gonna come to our virtual camera, choose the video quality we know our data can carry. Don't worry, 1080 is good for me, and click start. And something is changing. You can see some changes. Why is that? Because we're streaming already, because we're sending picture out already, rather. Wirecast is working already. It's telling us that we've dropped 32 frames at 0 kilobyte per second, because basically we've not done anything with the internet yet, so of course nothing can read here. And our system is working 100%. My system is kind of overloaded anyway. It's not supposed to be up to this. So let's go open our Zoom up and see what happens. And we're here. This is Zoom. I'm gonna open up a Zoom. I wasn't connected to Wi-Fi before, so sorry about that. All right, and I'm connected. All right, so let's go on and connect. Let's see. Yep. No, don't stop the microphone. So as you can see, it's open. All right, it's open. But I don't have video, I don't have audio, I don't have anything. All right, we're not working with audio because we didn't add an audio capturing device. And as for video, it's shut down. So how do I now get my Wirecast video into Zoom? I'm going to come select my video sources here on Zoom. You can do it in two ways anyway. You can come from this place here. You can come from your settings here to add a video. See that? I don't want to do that. Okay, it's simple like I'm doing it from here. So we're just going to come here, select here. It's already Wirecast. Right, it's already Wirecast by default because I've used it before, so it's already in Wirecast. So I just need to open up, and that's it. The video I had on my Wirecast is here. So anyone who's on this video conference is going to be like, what? Zoom doesn't allow you to put graphics? How do you have your business name over there? And how do you have a tutorial topic graphics showing there? My dear, it's through Wirecast. You can also achieve this using OBS, Open Broadcast Studio. We're probably going to do that next time, but for now, let's just focus on Wirecast. So this is how you get your video from Wirecast to Zoom, and with graphics included. So let's go back, leave meeting, and go back and talk about sending it down to Facebook and YouTube. Mind you, you can do all this simultaneously. You can send to Facebook, YouTube, and Zoom simultaneously. You don't have to end that Zoom. As it's working, it's fine, nothing alters. You can just come back and add your Facebook and YouTube and also stream to them as well. So to stream this live video now to Facebook and YouTube, what you're gonna do is you come to output settings, and it is gonna open. It's saying warning, output in progress, quality may be reduced. It's telling you, oh, I'm already sending picture to virtual camera that your Zoom is using. You do anything now on settings and you're gonna affect the picture quality over there, no problem. But by right or by standard, you're not supposed to actually start outputting until you've done all your settings, right? So well, we just started that because the tutorial anyway. So if we want to output to all three destinations, we're gonna set everything for we're gonna configure all our settings before we click start, before we start streaming. Well, no problem, let's just continue. All right, okay, and it opens this, and the first location I want to go to is Facebook, right? So we're gonna go to Facebook Live. Where are you? There you are. And okay, just wait for it. My system is a little bit slow, don't mind me, sorry about that. As you can see, my CPU is already working at 100%. All right, so this is what comes up. Now the next thing you've got to do here is sign in, authenticate. Let Wirecast know I want to send it into this account. So to do that, you just click on authenticate. When you click on authenticate, it opens a login portal for you like this to log in. But it's not going to open for me because I already logged in before. I've already authenticated. So you see, it's just loading my page directly. So I'm just going to log out. I don't want to stream anything. So just log out. Now, when you authenticate, it shows you these options. These options becomes active. You see pages, profile, and groups. So what page do you want to stream to? What group? On your account on Facebook, you just select that here. Just click down, drop down, and select. Once you've done that, you title your stream. What we said is we said the title is video streaming, right? So you just title it video streaming. Copy that title and paste here as well, and do a little description here of what you're doing, teaching you how to stream videos to YouTube, Zoom, and Facebook simultaneously using Wirecast. Once that is done, you click create, and it will create a URL, the destination URL. It will just be down here, and you can OK and go if you want to stream to Facebook alone. But I don't want to stream to Facebook alone. I want to add YouTube as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add again. And when you add again, some persons just go down and select YouTube and then add, because it displays in the list here as YouTube as well. But I don't want to do that. I don't do it like that. I have a stream key, so I don't do it like that. So I use my RTMP server. I just OK it, and this comes up. Now, because I have a YouTube stream key, I also have a dedicated YouTube stream URL. On how to get a stream key, it's quite easy. There are processes online to teach you about that, or you can consult other videos, or if you want me to do it for you, you can simply put a request on the comment section and I'll do that for you. So, but because I have a stream key and a stream URL, I just come here and then change this to my stream URL, change this to my stream key, and I click OK. If I click OK now, it's not going to work because I've not done anything. I've not configured the video on the Facebook streaming destination. I've not done it, adding a URL stream key here, so it's gonna give me some error message. Let's just show you. Yeah, that's it. Facebook server error, whatever the case may be. So, but if you have that configured, everything is gonna work fine. You just click OK and come out. And the next thing you're gonna do is click on this Wi-Fi symbol. Once you click that, it should go green. But because again we did not configure anything, it did not go green. So it's opening this for us because we have not done any configuration. That's why it's opening that. So like I said, if you configure it properly, the output location and all that, and click green, it goes live. And then all your channels, your Facebook channel, your YouTube channel, your Zoom conference are all gonna get this same live video. So guys, there you have it. That's how to stream simultaneously to Facebook, YouTube, and Zoom conferencing using Wirecast. Like we promised, next time we're gonna do another tutorial video on how to achieve this using OBS. So we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like our channel, click the notification button so you can be notified when that video comes out. And any other video you want us to do for you, just feel free to use the comment section and make your request. Like we said, we handle everything techie. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.